to all of you. The real gift of gratitude is that the more grateful you are, the more present you become. Well said by Robert Owen. Hereby myself, Anna Moma, feeling privileged and a great honor to propose a vote of thanks to all the dignitaries who have witnessed today. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. Well, on behalf of the entire family of CPSM College of Education, I express heartfelt thanks to our Chief Guest Shri Vishnudat Sharma ji, ex-DEO, for his valuable contribution and gracing the occasion. We are very grateful to our Chairman, Shri Rajendra Gehlot ji, for his words of encouragement. I thank him for his kindness, guidance, and continued support. Thank you, sir. I also extend my sincere thanks to our Vice Chairman, Shri Deepak Gehlot ji, for all the words of wisdom that radiated a source of energy within us. Thank you so much, sir. We are extremely thankful to our Secretary, Shri Narendra Gehlot ji, for his enormous support, inspiration, and guidance. I thank our Director, Colonel Surendra Dhankar ji, for his stewardship, unstinted support, vision, and minute-to-minute guidance at every point of time while organizing this great event. I also wish to express my gratitude to all the principals of our sister institution, Mr. Vinod Kumar ji, DPG Polytechnic, Dr. S.S. Bokan, DPG Degree, and Dr. Palas Singh, DPG ITM, Registrar Ashok Gogia ji, for being the part of this patronage. I'm also very grateful to all the jury members for scheduling out their valuable time and for the unbiased decision they made. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for all the contingent in charges whose guidance and immense support behind the students made today's program successful. Yes, heartfelt thanks goes to all our faculty members for maintaining the spirit of togetherness and teamwork. Thank you all my dear colleagues for your sincere cooperation. I also owe special gratitude to the non-teaching and technical staff members who have worked so hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling days in advance. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by the team of very motivated and dedicated student volunteers. Thank you so much, all my dear students of AMED, B.Ed, and B.Ed. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants for their enthusiastic participation and also maintaining the college decorum. We all have got enthralled by their mind-evoking thoughts, views, feelings, and creativity. I really appreciate them for the core of my heart and wish them a bright and prosperous future ahead. Finally, I thank all the distinguished invitees present here, accepting our invitation, and all the good hearts who worked behind the screen in making Kalyanjali a remarkable and fantabulous event. Once again, thank you all for your attention. Thank you for joining and contributing for the overall success of this auspicious event. Thank you.